Hi, my name's Jack Crocker. I'm the owner of Classic Home Improvements. I started this company 9 years ago, but I've been doing construction for over 30 years now. It's very important to carry insurance. There's a lot of different kinds of insurance that a contractor should carry. Of course, the first thing that comes to mind is workman's compensation insurance. That's probably the trickiest one because you can say you have no employees and the state won't make you carry workman's comp, but of course everybody has employees. So the trick is to make sure you not only have insurance as the general contractor, but all the other people working for you have it. Once you get outside of workman's compensation, another very important one is liability insurance. So liability insurance basically covers you and the contractor if something goes wrong on the house, something extreme like catching it on fire or causing a flood. And that's a very important thing to have. You want to have a lot of insurance because you could not only impact your house, but you could potentially impact your neighbor's house, if, for example, in the case of a fire. So you want to always make sure that you have at least 1 million per occurrence and 2 million in the aggregate, which means you could have two $1 million things go wrong.